Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Lexus Rx350. This car have a problem. Uh, Rear back door not working. So customer came for this complaint. Trunk not working. Okay. So first we check with our diagnosis tool what is the fault. Back door. Okay. Travel code. Here you can see one fault is there, B222A, power backdoor touch sensor left circuit. That means power backdoor left sensor have some problem. So first check here. When I press this one, see trunk sound like beep sound, but not working. Here is the rear trunk, and when I press with key, see hold, it's not working. Okay, and when I press here, close switch, see not working. That's the problem. So now we check where is the touch sensor problem. This is the touch sensor for left side, and when I check this wire is not fixed properly, it's open. I fix it and then reset those fault code. Okay, ignition off, on. Now try. See, also not working. Then also same. So what you can do, you have to do, see now there is no fault, so you have to do one thing, go with active test. Power back door open and close. Okay, all data, close. Here you can see now it's came close. See, it's working now. And now you can see when I try to see, now this is working. Okay, close. See, working. Great success. See, with key this is also working. Perfect. Close. Thank you.